Hello and welcome, my dear students. Today we will be learning Standard 3rd Subject English. Students, this is your English Balbharti textbook. Today we are going to learn Unit 1, Poem 1, A Pretty Game. But before that, children, let me ask you something. In the last video, I have given 10 points of importance of games. You might have understood that games are very much important as education. Children, there are two types of games, indoor games and outdoor games. Outdoor games means the games which are played outside the house on the playground, such as cricket, football, and indoor games means games which are played inside our house, such as carom, chess, etc. Yes, children, now in this pandemic situation, you might are playing indoor games only. Okay. Now, here in this weather, so our rainy season has started. Okay, children, June month is of rainy season. June to September, we enjoy rainy season. Okay. Now, in this rainy season, the sun and the rain are playing a pretty game. Come on then, let's start with the poem. Unit 1, Poem number 1, A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So, students, once again I will read the poem. Listen carefully. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Now children, let's understand the poem. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. Fickle means something that changes quickly or suddenly. Students, here the poet says that the sun and the rain are playing in this fickle weather. They are playing hide and seek in the sky. The weather is, you can see nowadays the weather is changing quickly. Sometimes we see the sun and sometimes we see the rain. So, the poet is telling that the sun and the rain are playing which game? Yes, hide and seek in the sky. And each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. Chase means run after somebody to catch that person. So here students, the sun and the rain in turn are trying to chase each other from their hiding places. You know how to play hide and seek. Someone hides and the other person chases them. Yes. So here also the sun and the rain are playing hide and seek, and they are chasing each other from their hiding places. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Span means spread from one end to the other. So finally they meet to say goodbye. When we see the sun and the rain together in the sky, what happens? At this moment, a beautiful rainbow appears in the sky, spreading from one end of the sky to the other end. You might have seen it, rainbow in the sky. Yes, children. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Yes, 7 colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Yes, very good students. So hope you all have understood the poem. Now come on then, let's recite the poem. You also recite the poem in the same way at home.
Number 1. A pretty game. The sun and the rain in the fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and Lou a rainbow spanned the sky. At last they met to say goodbye, and Lou a rainbow spanned the sky.
Goodbye and take care.